put time, date, weather on home screen on your Android. So if you want to put time, date or weather on home screen on Android, then what you need to do is you just need simply tap and hold on to your screen for a few seconds, and on the bottom, as you can see, that you will have widgets. Tap on widgets, and under widgets you just need simply go and select a widget which has time, date and weather on it. Or you can also go with search, which is on the top right, and search for time, date and weather. So as you can see that I have time and date right here. You can just simply click on it and go with add to home screen, which is on the bottom, and it will be added to your home screen. This is your time and date. And if you want to go with weather, then you will have some weather widgets. You can just simply go and select any weather widget, like for example this one, and go with add, which is on the bottom, and it will be added. That's it. You can tap to get some information about weather, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.